Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 31, Part 1. First, Suzuke-mas. To continue. Kunie kaeta ato demo Nihongo no benkyou wo suzukeru sumori desu. I plan to continue studying Japanese even after returning to my country. Second, Mitsuke-mas. To find ii shigoto wo mitsuketa. I found a good job. Third, Torimas. To take. Utsuka kan yasumi o torimashita. I took holidays for 2 days. Fourth, Ukemas. To take exam. Daigaku no shike no ukemasu. I appeared for an university exam. Fifth, moshikomimasu. To apply. Kono shiken o moshikomitai desu kedo, do shitara ii desu ka? I wish to apply for this exam. What should I do? 6. Kyukei shimasu. To take a break, rest. Chotto kyukei shimashou ka? Shall we take a short break? 7. Renkyo. Consecutive holidays. Kin yobi to do yobi to nichi yobi wa renkyo desu. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are consecutive holidays. 8. Sakubun. Essay composition. Nihongo de sakubun o kakimashita. I wrote an essay in Japanese. 9. Happyo. Announcement presentation. Ashita wa shiken kekka ga happyo saremasu. Tomorrow the exam result will be announced. 10th. Tendan-kai exhibition. Nichiyobi ni tendan-kai o mi ni ikimasen ka? Let's see the exhibition on Sunday, shall we? Grammar point 1. Volitional form. For volitional form, group 1, verbs change from the E column sound to the O column and add U. Kakimasu, kako. Isogimasu, isogo. Yomimasu, yomo. Asobimasu, asobo. For group 2, attach yo to the mass form. Example, tabemasu, tabeo. Mimasu, mio. For group 3, shimasu, shio. Kimasu, koyo. Grammar point 2. Uses of volitional form. First, in plain style, sentences are as the plain form of masho. Example, chotto, yasumanai, yasumo. Shall we rest for a while? Yes, let's do that. 2. Volitional form plus to umotteimasu. This pattern is used to convey speaker's intention to the listener. Volitional form plus to umoimasu can be used with the same meaning, but verb volitional form to umotteimasu indicates that the speaker made this decision some time ago. Example, Shumatsu wa umi e iko to umotteimasu. I am thinking of going to the beach this weekend. Example 2. Ima kara ginko e iko to umoimasu. I think I will go to the bank now. Note, volitional form plus to umoimasu can be used to state the speaker's intentions, but volitional form to umotteimasu can be used to indicate third party's intention. Example 3. Kare wa gakko o sukuro to umotteimasu. He is thinking of setting up a school.